Good morning. This is Ryan with Stoic Mindset Trading. Today I'm on my morning walk. I like to try to take a walk every morning before I get into my trades, just to kind of get my head in the right space. Car is very loud. I'm not sure if that picks up, but I like to do my walks in the morning, get myself into the right head space. It helps centralize me. It helps get my blood flowing, so that way when I go to trade, I'm more relaxed. For a little while, I was off doing my morning walks, just life, transition, moving, kind of made a lot of adjustments. So I made it a focus to get back to being disciplined and doing my walks every morning. Um, Typically, I wake up, get myself together, my prep in the morning, get myself out, go for a walk. When I get back, I do a light breakfast, nothing too heavy. Sit down at my computer, look over the charts, read the news, get an idea of what's going to happen in the market that day, set my daily plans before I start to trade. It helps a lot. It goes a long way. Just being a little more mindful and focused when I'm trading. Marcus Aurelius said, we suffer more in our own imagination than we do in reality. Now, the exact quote, I'll do better than the exact quote. So basically, they're saying, get out of our head. So to me, that's like finding balance, getting relaxed, getting my mind right. Prior to trades, when I go to trade, I'm more balanced, not thinking, not overthinking, not stressed. When I try to wake up and hop on the computer immediately, I'm always a little more stressed. I'm always a little more anxious. Now let's relax. I feel like I got to do something. But the biggest thing is you don't have to do anything. Some days you can go and trade, take a trade or not take a trade. Um, so every day is different. This truck behind me is so loud. Let's see, like right there. I think it's so loud this morning. It's like I get past it, then it catches me again. So let me get back to my better views. And of course, the truck is riding right next to me. So that's basically it. My morning walk. Um, Trying to decide what I'm gonna get for breakfast. Probably do eggs, mostly eggs, and that'll be it. Then I'll trade. I'll be going live today around 9:15, 9:30. I'm gonna go live. Um, Follow me live trading. Subscribe if you like what you see. If you want to learn more about me and my trading, subscribe. Ask me questions. I'm glad to help everybody out. Provide you information, general knowledge about trading. I got a book I might complete and release. It goes over the basic trading, get introduced to funded trading, how it works, how I got started, some of the general details. Other than that, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you all on live trading.